they just cut me off, and I can't do this again because I don't have another one ready. But that's my point. When I talk about them trying to ruin everything I do, this is proof. This whole channel is proof. So I don't really need a lot of extra proof to prove that this was their goal. But anyway, so what I did was I glued these containers inside the shipping tape rolls and then glued the shipping tape rolls together. So now here is already a holder. So you could just put your pencils and pens into it. And since it's separated, you can see it's separated, you can put them in each separate things. Like maybe you want your pencils together, your pens together, your scissors together. So you can do it separate like this. And it's a holder. Now, I also wanted to let you guys know that I just picked up some of these craft beads, and I was going to make a bracelet similar to this one that I have on my wrist. I made these out of paper. So these are paper beads, but you could use regular beads. So let me just give you guys a quick view of how this would look if you wanted to put it together on a desk. So you have a cool recycle, reuse, repurpose pencil holder, and you put it on your desk with your pictures, with whatever else that you want for your desk accessories. So I'm not actually going to make a craft out of this, but I wanted to show you that with these little things, you can put this in here for storage. And if you don't want to use the medicine cap that it comes with, you can make your own little cap. So this is a good way to use this as storage. So I hope you guys like that video. Thank you for watching.